To address a permanently limited PayPal account and possibly remove the limitations, you can follow these steps. However, note that PayPal's decision to limit accounts permanently is often final, especially for violations of their terms of service. Steps to attempt fixing a permanently limited PayPal account. 1. Review the email from PayPal. When PayPal limits your account, they usually send an email explaining the reason. Read this email carefully to understand the cause of the limitation. 2. Log into your PayPal account. Check the Resolution Center for any pending tasks or steps. PayPal may request additional information or documentation to verify your identity or clarify certain transactions. 3. Submit the requested documents. If PayPal asks for documents such as proof of identity, proof of address, or business information, upload them through the Resolution Center. Double-check that all documents are clear and meet their criteria. 4. Contact PayPal customer support. If your account is permanently limited and the email does not specify any actions, you can still contact PayPal support for further clarification. Explain your situation and inquire if there is any chance to appeal or provide more information. Ways to contact. Message Center. You can send a message via PayPal's website or app. Phone. Call PayPal's customer service and request to speak with a representative. Be polite but firm about your case. Social media. Reach out through PayPal's official Twitter or Facebook support channels. Sometimes this can expedite responses. 5. Appeal the decision. Some users have been successful in appealing permanently limited accounts by writing a formal appeal. The appeal should be respectful, concise, and clearly explain why the limitation should be reconsidered. Ensure you address any previous issues or misunderstandings in detail. 6. Wait for PayPal's response. PayPal will review the case and may restore your account if they find any reason to do so. However, there is no guarantee of success, especially in cases of serious violations like fraud, unauthorized transactions, or other breaches of PayPal's user agreement. 7. Consider alternative solutions. If PayPal refuses to lift the permanent limitation, your best option may be to withdraw any remaining funds after the 180-day holding period, if applicable. You can link your bank account to withdraw funds or request a check, but you won't be able to use the account for transactions anymore. 8. Open a new PayPal account. Last resort. If your case is not reversible and your account remains permanently limited, consider opening a new PayPal account. However, ensure that you do not violate PayPal's policies again and avoid linking the new account to any information, e.g., phone number, email, bank account, associated with the limited account. Tips to avoid future account limitations. Always follow PayPal's acceptable use policy. Keep your personal and business information up to date. Avoid suspicious or large transactions that could raise red flags. If your account limitation involves legal issues or you feel the limitation was unjustified, you might consider seeking legal advice.